Hello everyone, welcome to the latest video on my YouTube channel, Digger Evans. You might remember some time ago I did some download buildings from a company called railwaybuildingkits.com. Excuse me. They got in touch with me recently. These are some of the downloads kits that they do on their site. It's £1 for a download kit. It's really cheap, ridiculously cheap. They've started in doing this 3D printed stuff now, and they've sent me some samples. Forklift truck, double O scale, which is similar to HO. Traffic lights, these are the temporary traffic lights that we'd see at roadworks and places like that. Benches, which are like office desks and things. I've got those here. We're going to have a quick look at those in detail. And railway crossings. Now, when you look at the back in the pack, there is a very lot of components in there, especially for things like the forklift truck. If you look at that, I wanted to show you one in detail, but it wants painting and what have you before and to paint and glue all this up is going to take too long for a video. No one's going to want to watch it forever. And the traffic lights the same, they look great kits, but on the website it shows them finished. So what I'm going to do is show you what they look like finished. We'll have an in-depth look first of all at these. In a pack you get 4 of these desks. You get the desktops, which are these desktops like that, white or grey. See if we can focus it better. And then you get these little set of drawers that go either side. You just don't see the drawer handles and things on them. Clearly they either want painting or colouring with something to make the details stand out from. First look at them, they're decent, and they need a bare minimum cleanup, a very bare minimum. If you can see that edge there, just wants a bit of a sand there with an emery board or a tiny Swiss file, and that's all they need. And painting up. There's grey ones as well. These are that's a good picture here. They'll stand out more, and grey is quite a common colour for offices as well. And you can see the little door handles and everything. They do want a clean up, but not much of a clean up. And they look pretty good. Now I'll just move these to one side, and I'm going to quickly show you what happens on the website. Right, I've just got this up. This is the forklift truck on the website. As you can see, it's £3.95. You get 2 in the kit, and it looks all right, doesn't it? It looks pretty good. You know, I'm not going to build that up on screen. It's going to take too long, but I will certainly build it up and then show it you afterwards. And there's the traffic light ones. I want to show you those as well. Those are these are all the products they've got. These are all, and those are the traffic light ones there. This little kit, and those look easy enough to do. There's 4, 5, 6, 8 components to that you put together, and they look pretty good. They look pretty good once they're built up and painted. So that was just a quick look. I'm going to put a link to the website down in the description below this video, and it's www.railwaybuildingkits.com, and it's worth having a look. They've started doing 3D products. As far as I know, they're only quite a young company, and they're moving on. They're making progress. You know, like these buildings were ideal, especially for the price, and they're just background buildings. You know, And I actually use these. I have collections of die-cast cars, and I use these buildings at the back of the display of my cars and things. So it makes them look a bit more interesting. Anyway, that's it for now. I was just going to show you these. I'm quite pleased with them. You know, this is the forklift truck. There's a lot of components in there, and they look very, very accurate. I think with a bare minimum work, you can make something very decent out of them. So I'm going to say goodbye for now, folks. Thank you all ever so much for looking in, and thank you everyone who has liked, subscribed, and is following my channel. I really, really do appreciate it. I'll be back soon. Bye bye for now, my friends.